Welcome to Lyda Shop. We just posted a video last week about my dust collection system, which is over in that corner. And yes, it has been up for about 1 year. So that gives me a good understanding of how it works, what I like about it. And it is, to refresh your memory, it's the Lyda V system with a 3-horse motor on top. And it is spectacular. Let me take you over there and show you a little bit about it. So this is a great feature I really like. It just clicks open like that, opens up, very simple, easy to open, easy access to get to the sawdust to get it out. Just fits on the drum, closes that little lock, and you're good to go. I also put my barrel on wheels. A lot easier to get it out of the shop. I'm going to turn it on for a minute to show you how quiet it is. I don't know how well it'll pick up on sound, but it's definitely quiet. That's as loud as it gets. I think you can hear me. I'm talking over it right now. All right, I really love this HEPA filter. I have not had dust flying around in my shop at all when the dust collection system's on. So I'm going to open up the catch-all and actually see what I've caught. I have not checked this in 1 year. Yes, it's pretty full, but that's 1 year. So this is the dust from the filter. It's really powder, really fine, but so I would say this is the best collection system that I've ever seen, because you saw how much dust I had left over after a year that ran through. So I would say probably 99.9% of the dust actually goes where it's supposed to go. Well, that was my dust collection system. I'm glad to share some things that I really enjoy about it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Shop update. I did get my lumber rack on the wall, which is over here. You could check it out. As you can see, I didn't get all my lumber on my lumber rack yet, which is over here. It will be getting there very soon. I need to figure out what material I have and how much I have of it, so it's just taking me a little bit to write it all down. That's why it's not all up there. Shop improvement will be this scaffolding, which is this yellow scaffolding you see here in my background. That is going to go up high. I do have some of these pulleys, which I'm going to mount up high to actually get the scaffolding to go up and down very easily. I don't use it very much, but it's nice to have in my shop. And when I get out on job sites, it's really great. I can just pull it down really easy, which will be a huge benefit for my shop. But I would love to know of how you are improving your shop this week. Leave a comment below of what you're doing to improve your shop to make it better for you. And that's all I have this week. Oh, one more thing, shop tip. Read the directions. I spent a lot of time reading the directions on my dust collection system. I even called them to check in with them on a couple tricks and tips to get it all together. So read the directions, and we will see you next week. Bye.